What up? What up? What up? What up? Literally 2 minutes to eat this damn thing. Oh, so good. Oh my god, this thing is so good. Oh, love it. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, we back at it again. Today is the 39th day here at Amazon and I am loving it. Yes sir. Check it out. We got Mililani again today and we got 106 stops. We'll make that 105 because my loading zone downstairs does not count. So 105 stops. Yes sir. Okay, this is my nephew Ranson. He's on the Bobble Transportation team. Tell the people how you like it so far. Loud and clear, bro.
Love it here, bro. I line them up and knock them down, baby. That's how we do it on this
Mr.
side.
Steal Your Packages. I love my job. Look at brother Al eating. Yeah, you. Ladies and gentlemen, today I got 198 packages and I am so surprised I got to fit them all into my minivan. I guess it all depends on how you organize it, and yeah, and then it also depends on what type of packages you have, like heavy boxes, you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, thank you Amazon, thank you Bobble for these. Proudest place right here in Mililani. It's beautiful. It's like a big ass golf course. Love it. All right. So what? How did you get that hat? Ladies and gentlemen, this is Justin, by the way. How'd you get that hat though?
Like you've been hit by a criminal.
I love it. Everywhere we go, we have fun. It's just That's just Bobble Transportation, bro. Tell me not. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we usually come to this gas station in Huecamilo, Texaco, because when you hit 8 gallons, you get something like a drink or a treat. But today, no more treats, so only drink. I'm gonna get a 32, yeah? Woo, ladies and gentlemen, end of the day, about to head home. Today was a good day. Had to adjust pins and ungroup and group some things that didn't make sense and did make sense. But yeah, those things give me a hard time. But at the end of the day, we conquered it. You gotta do what you gotta do. You know, after work, a lot of people take the stairs, but not me, bro. I ran and walked all day today. Dang. Before this video ends, I just want to wish and give a big shout out to Clinton all the way up in Anania Circle. Thank you and your wife for watching my videos, and I hope and wish her the best that she gets hired with us, Bobble Transportation, of course. Cheery.